You know that white bottle? The one with the baby on it? Turns out it's not just for baby bottoms. Baby powder, that unassuming bathroom staple, is a secret weapon for solving everyday problems. From banishing bad smells to tackling stubborn stains, baby powder is a surprisingly versatile tool. Who knew something so simple could be so useful? Baby powder is essentially finely ground talc, a naturally occurring mineral. It absorbs moisture, reduces friction, and has a pleasant, subtle scent. These properties make it incredibly useful for a wide range of applications beyond the nursery. Think of it as a multi-purpose tool for your home and body. Dealing with smelly shoes or sweaty feet, baby powder can help. Sprinkle a small amount inside your shoes to absorb moisture and neutralize odors. You can also apply it directly to your feet to keep them dry and prevent fungal infections like athlete's foot. No more embarrassing smells, just fresh, confident steps. After a day at the beach, removing sand from your skin can be a nightmare. Sprinkle some baby powder on the affected areas and rub gently. The powder absorbs moisture, making it easier to brush away sand without irritating your skin. Similarly, if you have a stubborn knot in a necklace or a tangled shoelace, a pinch of baby powder can help loosen it up. Section 5. DIY deodorant and dry shampoo. Freshness on the go. Ran out of deodorant? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some quick and easy solutions that you can find right in your home. No need to rush to the store or panic about unpleasant odors. In a pinch, baby powder can act as a natural deodorant by absorbing sweat and masking odor. It's a simple and effective way to stay fresh when you're in a hurry. Baby powder is not just for babies, it's a versatile product that can be a lifesaver in many situations. Pat a small amount onto your underarms for a quick refresh. The powder will help keep you dry and smelling good throughout the day. It's perfect for those moments when you need a quick fix before heading out the door or after a workout. Baby powder can also double as a dry shampoo, absorbing excess oil and adding volume to your hair. If you don't have time for a full wash, this trick can save you from a bad hair day. It's especially useful for those with busy schedules or unexpected plans. Just sprinkle a small amount onto your roots, massage it in, and brush thoroughly. The powder will soak up the oil and leave your hair looking fresh and clean. It's a quick and easy way to extend the life of your hairstyle between washes. Plus, it adds a bit of volume, giving your hair a fuller look. Baby powder is also incredibly portable. You can easily carry a small bottle in your bag for on-the-go freshness. Whether you're traveling, at the gym, or just out and about, having baby powder handy can be a game changer. It's a simple addition to your daily routine that can make a big difference. And don't forget, baby powder can also be used to keep your feet fresh. Sprinkle a bit into your shoes or directly onto your feet to prevent moisture and odor. It's a great way to stay comfortable and confident, especially during long days or in hot weather. So next time you find yourself without deodorant or in need of a quick hair refresh, remember the power of baby powder. It's a versatile, affordable, and effective solution for staying fresh on the go. Embrace the convenience and enjoy the confidence that comes with knowing you have a reliable backup plan. With these simple tips, you can maintain your freshness and confidence no matter where you are or what you're doing. Baby powder is more than just a household staple, it's your secret weapon for those unexpected moments. Stay fresh, stay confident, and keep moving forward with ease. Section 6. Unsticking stubborn drawers and squeaky floors. A smooth operator, stubborn drawers and squeaky floors driving you crazy? Baby powder is here to save the day. Sprinkle a small amount along the drawer tracks or on the squeaky floorboards. The powder acts as a lubricant, reducing friction and allowing for smooth movement. No more struggling with drawers or wincing at every step. Section 7. Ants, fleas, and roaches. Oh my! Natural pest control with baby powder. Baby powder isn't just for keeping your baby fresh and dry, it can also be a powerful tool in your pest control arsenal. Say goodbye to unwanted creepy crawlies with the help of baby powder. This common household item can be used in various ways to keep your home pest-free. Sprinkle a thin line of powder across doorways and windowsills to deter ants and roaches. These insects often enter your home through these entry points, and the baby powder acts as a barrier they can't cross. The fine powder clogs their respiratory systems, effectively repelling them. When ants and roaches come into contact with the powder, it disrupts their ability to breathe, forcing them to find another route or perish. Similarly, you can use baby powder to get rid of fleas on your furry friends. Fleas can be a nuisance for both pets and their owners, but baby powder offers a simple and non-toxic solution. Sprinkle it on their fur, massage it in, and then brush it out thoroughly. This method not only helps to eliminate fleas but also leaves your pet's coat smelling fresh and clean. Make sure to avoid the face and eyes when applying the powder. You can also use baby powder to treat carpets and rugs. Sprinkle a generous amount of powder on the carpet, let it sit for a few hours, and then vacuum it up. This helps to kill any fleas or flea eggs hiding in the fibers. Regular use of baby powder can help maintain a pest-free environment in your home. It's a safe, natural, and cost-effective alternative to chemical pesticides. So next time you spot ants, fleas, or roaches, reach for the baby powder and take control of your home. Section 8. Removing grease stains and oily residues. A powdery cleanup crew. Grease stains on your clothes or oily residues on surfaces can be a pain to remove. They often seem to cling stubbornly, refusing to budge no matter how much scrubbing or washing you do. Whether it's a splash of oil from cooking or a greasy fingerprint on your favorite shirt, these stains can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, there's a simple and effective solution that you might already have in your home. Baby powder to the rescue. This common household item isn't just for keeping babies dry and comfortable. It has a surprising number of uses, and one of the most impressive is its ability to tackle grease and oil stains. To use baby powder for stain removal, simply sprinkle a generous amount of powder onto the stain. Make sure to cover the entire affected area. Then, let it sit for a few hours, or for best results, leave it overnight. The longer you let the powder sit, the more oil it will absorb. The powder will absorb the oil, making it easier to wash away. You'll notice that the powder starts to change color as it soaks up the grease. This is a good sign that it's working. After letting it sit, simply brush off the powder and wash the item as usual. This trick works wonders on fresh stains as well as old stubborn ones. It's a great way to save your favorite clothes from being ruined by unexpected spills. Plus, it's an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution that doesn't require any harsh chemicals. So next time you find yourself dealing with a greasy mess, reach for the baby powder and let it work its magic. You'll be amazed at the results. Section 9. Baby powder magic. The wow moment. Ready for a real wow moment? Baby powder can help inflate a flat tire in a pinch. Sprinkle a generous amount of powder inside the tire through the valve stem. The powder will coat the inside of the tire, temporarily plugging any small punctures. This will allow you to inflate the tire enough to get to a gas station or repair shop. Section 10. Unlock the power of baby powder. Subscribe for more life hacks. Baby powder. It's not just for babies anymore. From freshening up your shoes to removing stubborn stains, this humble household staple is a DIY powerhouse. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing life hacks and discover the endless possibilities of baby powder.